Oh, Tejasvi, like I did not get much response. Neha told me she'll be joining. Anyone else is joining us? Yes, Neha is joining. She said she'll join in a minute. But others, I didn't get a response.
Hmm. Okay.
Anush won't be joining. What happened?
Pratik, now for our next step, now we need the
Mhm.
client master to be fixed. Huh?
Okay, so shall we go with a one flow? I mean, along with you?
No, we went because it
Oh,
was
you
not
went already.
working.
Okay. Client master, you mean saving the client?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is already on. I mean, it's in a pre-existing problem. We are almost there. Like it should be fixed. The save part would be fixed, and if there is anything else, we will let you know. Save part will be fixed for sure.
Without that new client, because what I see the database which we are testing it, no, and
Uh-huh.
Tejaswini was connecting it to fast track. I told you, right? We need to connect it to what is that
The
table?
DRV. Actually, yesterday, yeah, we had this discussion that which one to connect. So I had told them that for these the DRV, all forms are not visible due to this authorization.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
for yeah, so that's why I told them, okay, just keep switching between the databases. For wherever you don't get something, you just to switch to this fast track, and if you're looking for data, just switch to this DRV.
Correct, exactly. So what you
Yeah.
do is, if there is any table missing or any field is missing, no,
Yeah,
you can take the reference of this database and create that in fast track.
that would be even better. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
See, now we did this full cycle of purchase now. Purchase is
Mm.
fine. I've given
Okay.
some observations, so let them
Okay.
fix that. In
Yeah.
the vehicle master,
Minor.
I've given some observation.
Yeah, yeah. Minor CSS is fine, but if the functionality is working, we are good to go.
Hmm.
So and this client one, we will fix, but for the they're like we should start with the other flow here. So what is the next thing that you think we should take?
No, that's what we have to create the rental agreement. To create the rental agreement, we need the client.
Okay. Okay. So for we don't have any existing data right now in the database for existing clients. Like at least we can start with
It
the
is
flow.
not. See, we tried doing that. We took one employee, I mean, one driver with license details, everything is available. Now, because
Okay.
client is not saving, we are not able to make any changes to that, right? Even if you go edit also, it will not
Okay.
work. So
Okay.
we tried with the existing client, but that is also did not work well with selecting in the agreement.
Okay. Okay. Then let me fix that first.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Sorry, who's?
Yes, Neha.
Sir, I was I would ask you about a full time, sir. Is there any chance that
Sneha,
it could
your
become
voice
full
is.
time in a few days? Is it with, is it audible now? Am I audible now? Yes, sir. Like I was asking if there is any chance of making us for the full time. So 4 months.
Yeah, we will do that. I'm just now waiting for this. See, for me to confirm you all, right? They will ask, is the product what we were thought of having it in 3 months? Now it has gone to 5 months. I'm not having any answer to them. So we'll wait for another this month. We will wait. Okay, once I think we have given you 6 months only, right? Internship we gave you 6 months only. Yeah. Post to that, we will make you permanent employees. I want this product to be ready. See, now we are having so many things. If I go and tell, okay, we have completed means, at least they'll say yes. Now you can put them into permanent. I'm willing to do that, but only thing that I don't have any face to go and tell that, okay, if the product is now at least one product is ready.
Okay, okay, sir.
I know,
We'll
I know
deliver you
everybody is
this
now see
project and
everybody. Yeah, this project you complete it. Okay, I will tell that okay, this team has done good work. We'll confirm everybody as a permanent employees. That I will tell you based on this product readiness and their willingness to sell that product. See, I was thinking to at least give this HR solution to one of the company. They were telling that you demonstrate us your HR solution. I'm asking Pratik to give me this ready full-fledged HR at least to work. That also did not work. Pratik, did we resolve those issues, calculation issues?
Yes, we did.
Okay, let us go with now with this operation. Now, what the activity which we are doing now, no? This will complete the product also, and the testing also is completed. If there are any issues with the interface also, I'm telling you, you note it down and fix this.
Yes.
Most probably, see if you people give full time, like not like part time, full time. If you work on in a day, whatever the issues are coming, if you keep fixing it, I think in next week we can complete this. There is no major, see, we are not doing any new developments here. Whatever the existing thing is there, only we are trying to bring it into a new phase, right? And there are a lot of things I'm expecting from you people to start developing it. There is WhatsApp integration, there is email communications to be there from the system. We have that email communication, but I don't know with how, at what extent it is working and all.
sure, sir.
Pratik, what are we waiting for now?
No, I mean, if the demo is done already in the previous call, then we are just ready. I mean, I'm just waiting for fixing that issue. Do you want to test something else, Yusuf?
What we will test? I see. I want to go with one flow.
Okay.
What we did now yesterday was the purchase cycle.
Hmm.
The purchase cycle is working fine now. Let's do the operations, which is like renting out, leasing out, replacing. Okay, at least we'll do some movements. Let's see how that is it working. Okay, we'll go for the next step. If anybody can share your screen.
Sure.
See, if you want me to do that, right? That legacy system, we have legacy also, right, Pratik?
Yes, we have.
Somebody log into the legacy now?
I can do that. If you want, you can do that. And just record your session.
But now the database has to be connected to that new one, DRB, Pratik, if you want to test that, because the tables may not be there.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. Just takes a minute to switch the database. You're using user one or user two? Tejaswini? Okay, because on user one, I have said that the things that are set up are using the new database. So, sure. So, are you able to access the 7071 here? Okay, so then you can access. Rather, what I would suggest is, Tejaswini, instead of doing it on the legacy, start with our new system so that we would get our CSS and all the issues also, like whatever the user is expecting. And
No,
if
that we tried. No, so,
no, no, for the new ones also, for the new forms also. And if something doesn't work according to what Yusuf is expecting to work, we will check it in legacy. Or maybe parallelly, you start here. I will connect to user one, and on legacy, I'll do all the parallel steps. And meanwhile, the Sneha and Yogesh can keep noting down the points. Let's do that. Yeah, that is true. But Yusuf said right, he has some other forms, at least the operation forms.
okay.
Yusuf, this looks nice, right? Two dashboards now.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now we'll focus on the other operational items because agreement I will leave it for side for time being. We'll go to the operations now. Go to vehicle transactions, movement. So what do you understand by a movement in this system is now that one car is parked in one place. Let's say it is there in Dubai, and now this car is going to Sharjah. So somebody has to record that this car was taken by Yusuf. He went at this time, this kilometer, and he reached there at that time and that kilometer. So that is what we are going to record here. Okay, now click create button. Select the fleet number there. And I told you, no, Pratik, wherever the search is there, I told you to keep that two books together, right? Like copy options there in Windows, no?
Sorry, what copy options?
See, for you to identify now inside the text box, we are putting F3 for search, right?
Uh-huh.
Next to that, I told you to keep some kind of two boxes. When they click that, it will open this window as a search option.
That hourglass icon.
I don't know, whatever, I think what we discussed, I don't know. Where
Yeah.
is that? Still, it is not applied on any of the forms.
So wherever we have this press F3 to search, on the right hand side we will have that hourglass icon, that
Yes,
search hourglass icon, so that and wherever you click, it will just open it, just to identify you want to keep it, right?
correct, correct.
Okay. So Sneha, Yogesh, please keep make a note of this. Like this is universally wherever you have this press F3 to search, add an hourglass.
Okay, now double click on that fleet search. So let's take that first vehicle, Lamborghini. See here, what now we see that the data is scattered now. First we have fleet number, then branches somewhere. Make it, you just see the legacy that I have told you many times. Refer the legacy. Okay, bring this information in a proper way. Means it should be more
Uh,
user friendly.
yeah, sure. Okay. Can can you open the new tab? I'll just give you the link. Just open a new tab, car interviews for legacy. Tejaswini. We can have that parallel comparison for everyone to see.
No,
No, no, 7071. I'll give you the link.
see, you don't have to do when I'm there in the call. This all I'm expecting from you people to do it one on one by yourself. When you're doing this changes, you just compare with legacy. You can make this form, no, like cash receipt. Half information you keep for opening of the movement and half information for the close. You can divide like this.
I've given you one link. Open that. Oops. Just remove login. You can use the same one or different ones. Fine. Go to the movement page here. Okay, here it is one below the other. What Yusuf is asking is we can do it either parallelly or even if you're doing one below the other, we should fit it in like one view. Can you go back to that? Our application, yeah. Scroll down. Okay. So I think we should reduce. I mean, instead of moving it right and left, it's better we keep it in the single view. Remove the spaces, add some fields like fleet number, branch, location in one line, date out, time, etc. in other lines. So in instead of this 6 and 7 lines, let's make it in 3 lines, 4 lines maximum, and then do it one above one below the other, and also uh, try to adjust it in one view. Okay. Sneha, I hope you are noting now. Sneha Yogesh. In the Excel sheet also, in the Excel sheet you can note it.
Okay,
I
let's
am noting.
complete this transaction now. Let's see if
Yeah.
it is working. Then you can make the changes accordingly. Now the date out, you just put today's date. Time 1400 you put. Okay. Then kilometer it comes automatically and fuel comes automatically. From the last transaction. Okay, you say here transfer. Driver you select from your, yeah, anyone you can take. Okay, put some remarks. That what I'm trying to do here is that I'm sending a vehicle with one driver by name Robal. Okay, he's going from Sharjah to Dubai now, for example. Okay, so this is the opening of the movement. He's starting from Sharjah. Or else you can say Dubai, from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, because we have only two there, no? Dubai and Abu Dhabi is there. So you write here Dubai to Abu Dhabi. Okay, now save this. Okay. Now this vehicle is in transit. Okay. The driver goes from here. It will take maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Once he reaches to the other place, that means he has to close this movement. So that close button is there. No, you click on this close button. So whether he reached in the same branch or he went to Abu Dhabi, we can select here Like he went from Dubai, now he went to Abu Dhabi. So you can select here Abu Dhabi as branch, and the car location also you can put accordingly in Abu Dhabi with the date and time. Today's time 1400 is there. See there, that was 1400. You put 5 minutes or 15 minutes after that. 1405 or 142020. Okay. Now the kilometer when he started from here was 23756. When he reached, he might have driven 5-6 kilometers, right? You put 2379, you put. No, no, no. You see from there. Ah, okay. 23759. Okay. What was the fuel when he reached there? It was full. That is a mistake. It should have kilometer fuel also. Okay, no worries. Now just select the current fuel. Anything you put. Uh, Reason for transfer is that no accident, fines nothing, kilometer. Okay, that's it. Now you click save. So it will show you that you are entering so many kilometers. That is, the driver has driven 3 kilometers. Are you okay with this? Click OK. So that means this is working as expected. Only that you need to change the
UI. Right.
UI. Okay, now next part is, see, here the problem is, I think, reloading part problem. See, we selected here Dubai also, right? Dubai location and the fuel also we selected there. I think it is a reloading problem. It is not the issue with the entry. I think we selected that all those information. Just reload this document again. Document number 514. Search here. Put document number 514. Select that.
I kind
Scroll
of
down.
I thought I think that when you selected this driver, I mean previously the I saw the fuel value. It was 1 by
Yeah,
8.
yeah. That's what I'm telling. It is
Mm.
loading issue. Okay, you do one entry in that legacy also. You will understand now the
Hmm.
difference is there. It is because of our.
I click on create here.
See, the fuel comes automatically there.
Yeah, and then when I think when the driver or something was selected, it was gone.
Okay, now enter the date. You will come to know. No, no, no. Enter the date out, time, put transfer, date out. Today's date only you put. See, these are testing entries. No, you put whatever you want.
Add legacy also. Just add legacy in the remark. Yeah.
Nothing, just save it now. See that fuel is there. 8 by 8 is there showing. That means it is a
Okay.
problem with our this one. Now close this
Yeah.
movement also. Close. The button down below. Nah. No, I was asking you to move, do the second entry. No problem. No problem. No. Put here search. No. Wait. If tomorrow, let's say, this driver has gone from one office to another office, the other person has to see, right? You can do the close this, cross this search. today's date, any transaction is there, put today's transaction date, or you select the car number. Click search. So we did two. One, it is showing you out it is. You see there? Why it is? Because it has just started from one place. It did not reach to the other place. So select that. Now click that close button. Right hand side, you see that close button is there. Now you put the branch where he reached now. He reached Abu Dhabi. Fuel, location, date, time. Kilometer. No. You just see, make some sense here. The kilometer, what when it went out, it was 53337. It will not accept the lower kilometer. It will be higher than that last out kilometer. Now there is some. Okay. Now select the fuel. That's it. That's it. That means this problem is with our interface. Fuel and that kilometer not showing there, right? Hmm. Okay. So we have done one moment entry. So that means this functionality is working. Only that you need to make the adjustment of this columns, names, and all those things, right? Okay. Now next we'll go to the replacement part. Add. So when you're giving a replacement, that means a customer has taken car from you. He has some problem. Brake is not working or some accident happened. So they will change this car. They'll take your car, the existing car from the customer, and they'll give another car to them. So you need to select here for which agreement we are giving the replacement. So always there is a reference, right? Always there is an agreement. So select here rental, and reference, you select the agreement number. Double click. Yeah, balance is mandatory. Yeah, select anything. So that means we are giving a replacement for this customer that there is some problem in this car and we are taking back. So the reason for taking back, it is he's not satisfied. It met with an accident. We need to do service. So the customer comes to your place, or you went and collected from the customer. There are options here. So you select here collection. Huh? And that's it. Just put some description there. Yeah, that can be anything. So now when this car is going, you need to select which car and who's the driver who's going out. So you need to select here the new vehicle which we are giving it to the customer. The new vehicle option is there, right? You select here the new vehicle from there. Take anything. So deliver to which place is there? We can write here the place of the name of this. Okay. Delivery, yes, you put, tick the checkbox. Yeah, it will not work. No, it should work. It should work. Can you just scroll up? Because our views is not, this is what the problem is. I'm not able to see in single view. You take the same thing in the legacy now. See how beautifully it will come. Everything in one single view it will be there. Add now. See, directly it will come to the next entry. So we are, after that remarks, it will come to the new vehicle which we are taking out from our office and going to the customer. Okay. Select here the car, new car. No, because you need to click the checkbox there. Delivery. It is connected to the app now. Okay. Click the out details. Out details. Out details. Down, down, down. Yeah. Put the date. Today's date. Time. Because we do this in two steps. That is why I think this. Exactly. This is what you have to do. You have to select the car. You have to select the date out and time and save. Now, once the driver who starts from here, he will go to the customer and he will exchange the cars. So that update button is there. No, click on that. Click. Now you set. Yeah. Now click the checkbox of collection. First, you need to collect the car from the customer, right? Whatever he's having, we have to receive from him. Select collection. Double click. Select driver. Okay. Collection date. When did you collect? You collected today. Time. 1401 you put. Okay. Kilometer. Correct, correct. That is what I'm telling you. 1441 you put. Kilometer. Now for the previous car, what customer was possessing, it was 105. Now you put 107. Okay. So this car, he will drive from customer to our office, right? He will bring from customer to our place. Sometimes they will take it in the night. That means they will take it at 11:55 and then they will come next day. Means the date will change, right? So that is why there are two dates here. So you put now for now 24th March only, and the time here when we is coming back to office, it's like 14, no, 15 you put. Yeah. And the kilometer also you change from 107 to 109. Fuel also same way. Branch is coming to Dubai and is parking in head office. So this is the first information. Now second information is that the vehicle which he took from here, he handed over to customer also. Correct. So the delivery checkbox is there. Now you click on that delivery checkbox. Now it will allow you to select, okay, this guy, he went out there Double click. Rubble. Then he went from here 24/3/2026 and he handed over at 14:42. Why? Because in same time, two things will not happen. So we are keeping 1 minute difference here. If you see the collection time is 14:41 and the handover of the vehicle should be at least 1 minute's difference should be there. Okay. Kilometer of this car which went out from here office is 100. Down you see the kilometer there. Now you add 1 kilometer to this 106 or 107. I cannot see it properly. No, I cannot see from here. It is too small for me.
108, right? It's already 107.
Okay. Then fuel also. Save this now. The save button is down in the middle because that is a partial information you are feeding it. So this is also working. Now you enter, do the entry. Now go back to that our new interface. Here you need to select only the out vehicle, date and time. Now out vehicle, what we selected there. Scroll down. I cannot see. You're selecting only the car number and that's it, right? No, out date will be there. Out date and time will be there. You need to select the out date. I want this type of thing, Pratik. Wherever like this information which is required, no, can we not make it red that in that bracket? Okay, this information is required. The user should know that what he need to feed.
You mean make it mandatory?
That is mandatory only, right? Yeah, that bracket is there, no? Not the dates, the outer part of that bracket. Yeah, and time also.
Similar to legacy.
Now you save this. That means this is working. Now you do the rest of the update and complete it. See, you design your interface in such a way that people should admire. Okay, so beautiful it is. Our only previous interface problem was that font size was too small, and people used to complain that we are not able to see this.
Yeah, yes. I mean, even this one, we can reduce a little bit of space, but we'll not be able to fit everything in one view. That's a little difficult. We can reduce some space and somewhere, not everything.
Fuel you have not selected. Uh, Sneha, sorry, Tejaswani. Yeah. Okay. Now is right hand side. You select the delivery. Actually, it is not delivery. We should select here driver. The label name should be changed, I think. Save. No, that is that free text, I think. Hmm. Some problem is there. See, now
Now
you
check
see that.
your check your application, like the console. It's 80/40, so I think it should be in your.
No, because
Not here, not here. Go to your Java Eclipse. Double click this console. And double click. Okay, strange. You should have had something here. I think so.
can I see the form once again, please? Time is missing. See here. No, as I told you, collection time and that coming branch should be more than that 1442. Ah, now you save. That is all good. No, 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 no. You don't have to save on top. It should be from here. Update. Then reload this form again. Close. Close.
Sure, Teju.
Just search from here. No, don't go anywhere. Wait. Just click search button. Put today's date. Search. Select the last one. Okay. It brings back you the form which is partial updated. Now click again update the update button. Click checkbox of collection. Wait. Right hand side. Tick the checkbox. Delivery to also type some text there. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct, correct. Correct, correct. Fuel there. Wait, the left-hand side fuel is not coming, right? Right-hand side, sorry. Right-hand side. No. Mm-hmm. There is problem with your thing in UI. So legacy it is working, right? Hmm. So you put 41 there. No, you need to see here. Wait. You need to see on the top when we have given the car to the customer, what was the kilometer? It will be showing on the top. This car kilometer when we have given is 105. So it should be more than 105. 106. Okay, now it will work. Forty-three you put. And this you put 51. Okay. No, there is some problem with your. So this is how you need to test your replacement. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Now, what do we have next? You fix this now. Next, we'll go to the next operations. No, this we will take it later. Okay. What is important now is that uh, go to your home now. Home. Now that two boxes. Yeah, why it is not visible? Okay. Now we have a home, new home one is there, right? Click on that. Now there is a vehicle which is now unrentable. This is what I was telling you. The vehicle which we brought from customer, it will come over here as unrentable. Click on that. Click submit. So these are the vehicles. The one which we took, brought from customer. No, what was the number? Just see the replacement. What we did now in the legacy. In the legacy, huh? The car number was 47. Yeah, fleet number 1000786. Huh? Okay. Now you go to that. Put that number there. And fleet you can put the
Fleet in the top.
fleet on the
Fourth,
top.
fifth column. Fifth column. Yeah.
See, it will show you here. Now, once you're ready, double click on this. Once you see this car is clean enough to go to the next customer, you make this car now ready to rent. The date, time, kilometer, everything system will take as of now. Okay, that's it. You don't do anything. Hmm. Because you're changing to the last in time, you're reducing the kilometer there. Time. What time it came last? Now you make it 16 now, so no problem. See, this time is not fully visible. This time is also not fully visible. Hmm. So these are again you need to fix this. Check in legacy now.
Compare with things.
Unrentable. First you have to submit that
Enter,
arrow key.
enter, enter,
Enter
enter.
key.
The black one.
786 you type here, it will come. See, these all are coming automatically. Leave it. Now you say update.
Not sure. Just
No,
one
first
second.
you
Just 1 second. Don't do anything.
wait. Wait. First, when you are selecting, wait, hold a minute. Can you select the branch as, because this is all, okay? Transactions will not work in all. You have to select either Dubai or Abu Dhabi first. Click on that and click submit now. Hmm. Now click update.
Incorrect integer value
It's
A.
working. So same thing you do it in the our new interface as well. Select the branch first. Take any random car number there. Now legacy that will not be available there. That car will not be available. Now we are using the same database. Take any random number in front of you. Yeah, so this is also working. So only thing you need to select here the branch which we missed it. No, yes. And here, no, this is what I'm trying to say here. These informations, okay, can you not align branch? The you see branch is there in the left side. There. Fleet number, fleet status, date, time. It is come in the middle. Make it in a, such a beautiful way. It should be that okay, data is visible across the system uniformly. Okay,
Sure.
this is also working now. Okay, but there are some few corrections here that. Hmm. Now click that export button here. That export, yeah. Click on that. See here the system, whatever the data you're seeing there in the screen, no, it will give in Excel file. Right click or open that file. You're working it on server, right? So it will not open there. So it will open as a CSV file, but it is downloading. So that means that functionality is working. Now this email button is there. Now just click on that. I want to see what is the. Okay, that we will check in the invoice, not here. Okay, it will not work here. In this case, no, Pratik, this unrentable options, no, we need to disable that email button.
Okay. So only for this unrentable.
Yeah. I will tell you where all to disable them.
Yeah. Can you share me the list? Then we can work.
No,
And
we'll
by the
go.
way,
Now keep writing me. I mean, that
okay.
as we are doing these things, you make a note of this.
Okay.
That list we will see later, because I cannot sit and make that list. Wherever I'm telling you that email is not required, you just disable that.
So disable or remove it completely.
No. Great. Let it be there as it is, but they should not be able to click on that.
Okay.
So this functionality is working now. We are able to make the unrentable ready to rent. This is all working fine. Only that in that this fleet number, status, date, and all, you bring it to the left. Keep proper spacing between them. See the fleet and that status both have gone and connecting each other, like they're merging.
The text boxes.
Mm-hmm. Now right hand side, see, go to the right hand side. No, scroll to right. Nothing is there. Huh? So there is one more functionality here. See, now I received this car from customer. I don't want this vehicle to be given to somebody else. So what I will do is that, okay, I'll tell my customer is waiting for this, so you don't give it to anybody. Double click on any of the vehicle there at right hand side. No, submit again. Just submit. Now double click any of the things. Okay, you have selected this here. And now there is one remarks column is there in the grid, right hand side. Right here, this vehicle I don't want to give it to anybody. Reserve this car to Yousuff. Example. That save button is there.
Refresh. Oh, how did you say?
Hmm. So tomorrow somebody, I'm not there in office, you are coming to office and we'll say, one customer comes, I'll give it to, because I had already reserved it, you don't know. How will you know? So these are the information which you need to rectify this issue. See what is the issue there. Second time it is getting saved, okay? See, I think you just need to go to the remarks column and save. You don't have to double click the fleet, I think. So there is one thing here. Try the other way. Click anywhere, submit. Okay, don't select any car or anything. Just go directly to the text field. Click here and type and click save. No. I think you have not. Uh, uh, okay, submit again. We'll see one more time. Just single click. Single click. Okay, type save. Enough. That is all. We are just testing it. So you need to check why this is popping up. Huh? So these are the things. These are the functionalities of this BI. Okay, now do you want a break or how? We'll continue the next process. Okay. Give me 10 minutes because I didn't have my lunch also. I will have my lunch and call you. 10 minutes you need, huh? Okay. By the time you rectify that client issue, because without that we cannot work on the rental agreement part.
Sure, Yusuf.
Okay.
Let's connect. Okay. Did Yusuf say he'll join back in 10 minutes?